For It's Miss Gaffney, let's recap our music learning intention and success criteria. Our learning intention is to identify and use musical concepts when improvising and organizing sound. Our success criteria is I can improvise and organize sounds to create a soundscape, assign symbols to represent sounds for graphic notation, and today we are adding use and identify dynamics when organizing sound. Now you'll notice that graphic notation has been highlighted. Graphic notation is just simply the representation of music or sounds through the use of visual symbols. Now, we have already assigned symbols to specific sounds last week, where we thought about the sounds we might hear on our great exploration or voyage across the ocean. What were some of the sounds we might have heard? For example, a sound that I put on my soundscape was waves, and I represented that sound through the symbol of waves, which I just got on Google Images. Now, where it says use and identify dynamics, dynamics is one of the concepts of music, and we will be exploring different concepts of music throughout the unit. But dynamics refers to how quiet or how loud a piece of music is, so the volume of it. If the dynamics are varying, it means that the music changes from quiet to loud or loud to quiet. The volume of the music changes. For example, you might have heard a song which starts at the beginning and it's quite soft, it's quite quiet. But then as it progresses or as the chorus comes in, it becomes louder, which means that the dynamics are varying. The volume of the music is changing. Now today you're going to be using your soundscape from last week and your assigned symbols, and you're going to rearrange these symbols to create a graphic score. Now as you can see, I've already copied my symbols from my soundscape onto here. That is your first step. So if you can do that now, you want to copy your symbols from your soundscape. I'll give you the example of mine from last week. I've just copied all these symbols and I've put them onto this outline here. Now this is where we are organizing sound. We are going to rearrange and organize these symbols into the sequence that we want. For example, I'm going to put 2 of the wave symbol on here. And that would mean that I would play the wave sound twice. Okay, because there's 2 of the symbol. Now, this door symbol is quite small, which means if we're looking up and thinking about our dynamics up here, you can draw or resize these symbols into different sizes to represent different volume levels. So a small symbol means that the sound is going to be played quiet when you perform it and record it. Whereas a large symbol, let's make this fire symbol quite big, that means you're going to play this loud. So I'm going to copy that and paste it again. And I'm going to be repeating that loud fire crackling sound twice. Do you see how I am organizing the sound? I'm using my symbols and I'm repeating them. I am making them smaller or larger depending on what I want in terms of dynamics. For the coins, I might repeat this 3 times. So I'm going to copy and paste it 3 times on here, and so on. So please continue this, create your graphic score, repeat symbols, make symbols larger and smaller depending on the sounds that you have as well, and have fun with it. I hope you enjoy it, and I can't wait to see these completed graphic scores.